Hello there. See this big guy there standing behind me? We need them, a lot of them, to be able to reach our 100% CO2-free energy production in 2050. And we need a lot of them offshore, 22 times more than we have at this moment, as Europe to reach our goals. There is one big problem. You see them turning around? The blades, the maintenance of the blades. Those blades offshore, they get to a speed of 300 kilometers per hour and they get 100 meters long, and that causes damage. The problem is, in this 21st century, in this day and age, the only way to see if those blades need repair is to look at it. We as Tarucca are going to use the latest developments in photonic sensors and in AI software to use an IoT type of system with sensors in the blades to detect if and when a blade needs repair. By using a solution like that, wind park operators can save money because they can prevent downtime. For a wind park there out at the North Sea, of 1 gigawatt wind park, if that stands still for a day, that costs between the 300,000 and 1 million euros in lost revenues. And when they don't produce energy, green energy, we need fossil fuels, and that puts a lot of CO2 into the air.
The business case for wind park owners and operators is 1. To prevent unnecessary stoppage, 2. To reduce the need for scarce maintenance resources, and 3. To assess the structural health at the end of warranty. As Tarucca, we are the only alternative for the current reactive preventive approach. We are the only solution that ticks all the boxes. Therefore, we're going to disrupt this 400 million euro visual inspection market.
What we did over the last few months is to actually take an old data set, used crowdsourced 20 plus engineers, AI engineers and AI enthusiasts, working on those data sets that we got from ETH in Zurich and a sensor manufacturer in Denmark. We put them together. These data came out of real live wind turbines.
What we have proven with our AI crowdsourcing approach is that it is possible to develop a solution using accelerometer data from sensors at the places in a blade where you can retrofit it and in that way detect damage.
The next step for Tarucca is to deploy our solution in a number of wind turbines as research pilots starting in the second quarter.
The business model for Tarucca is to provide a service. We provide an early detection warning signal to our customers, the wind turbine OEMs and the wind farm owners. We deliver this together with our system hardware partner, and the payment will be a recurring subscription fee per megawatt per wind turbine.
So as Tarucca, we have a solution that will make scalability.
Our market development steps will be 1. To approach the yield-driven onshore wind park owners. After that, we're going to the large offshore wind park owners. And the third is to go to the wind turbine OEMs. Our recurring fees will drive the revenue. To make this happen and to get to a prototype stage, we're looking 500,000 to 700,000 in convertible loans. The team that is going to make this happen is in place.
Join us on our journey to make the world more sustainable. Thank you.